You know, whether people are live listening to the music or they're listening to it in their head, you know, sonically, I just want them to feel like they're in like a space, like, you know, outer space, you know, but like listening to rhythm and blues and rock and roll.
He was sorry for what he done.
To me, I love to listen to, you know, John Prine and songwriters that have experienced life and are writing about it, and you can relate to it. A lot of the songs I write are about my life. For example, like Shortcut is about my brother who got in an accident and now is paralyzed, and it's like digging up the emotions that I was feeling as I was writing that song. That helps for sure to make it more honest and real. I want people to feel the music and feel the emotion. You know, essentially, that's kind of that's my goal as a singer. You know, I'm obviously influenced by all these old artists, Jimmy, Duane Allman, the Allman Brothers, and a lot of classic rock stuff and soul, and taking that and using newer elements, newer textures, and I think is important to kind of spread it amongst people who are listening to music today and want to hear something new, not just a throwback kind of sound.
You wait till I get home.
So there's so many artists in Nashville that are just part of this new scene. Liz Cooper and the Stampede, Becca Mancari, Smoothhound Smith. I mean, I could go on for days. Forlorn Strangers, and they're influenced by so much of the old music that you know has kind of brewed out of Nashville and out of Americana, and they're taking it further. So yeah, I would say those are some of the cats in Nashville that are pushing forward. Our sound it's got this old funky, you know, blues, soul, kind of Levon Helm the band kind of feel to it. I definitely want to maintain that, you know, maintain the sound. I want it to evolve for sure, and I think if we can hold on to that, you know, that substance and, you know, that core, and add to that, just kind of take it wherever I want. Like your whole body is involved in the music, and it's fun.